Hello and welcome to my recap of today. Today I traded NEO and the stock was gapping up 7%. I was also watching CRM that was gapping up 16%. So NEO was above VWAP, gapping up, and I waited for the first minute. So the first minute it made a pullback to VWAP, but after that it made a consolidation around above VWAP. So I was waiting for it to take it to the 1 minute orb. So as soon as I saw it, I took it long, set my stop at the low of the previous candle, and waited to see what was going to happen. So at first it was not really breaking. The volume wasn't also so much great because it had a huge volume in pre-market. So I waited to see what was going to happen. If it was going to confirm the 1 minute orb, eventually it did. So I took some 10% there, moved my stop to break even, and then let it run in this candle. So let's watch this part. So I took some more profit there. At this level, I took more. Took more. This was all-time highs for NEO. So once it broke that 19.4, it was making new highs. So it didn't have the pre-market levels or anything like that. So at this point, I was waiting for it to consolidate. Maybe if it was going to come back to VWAP. So I secured my profit, moving the stop to below the high of the pre-market, and waited patiently to see what was going to happen. Eventually, it came up, making new highs. So I took some more profit. And this, I was only one share left, so I left it to stop me out when it make a new low, a new 1 minute low. So let me forward this a little bit. At this point, it made a new high, but it started to fail, and it stopped me out at that level. So I was watching it, maybe to get back again, because it looked like an ABCD pattern with a VWAP support. So I took it long, but got very frightened because it started to pull back. So I exit, but then I realized, okay, no, this was maybe going to work. So I re-entered and exit again at the same point. So those were two trades, very fast, very dumb. I know the last one I didn't stop out, but I let it run a little bit, took 10% off, moved my stop to break even, and it stopped me out. So it was not so good. Well, it didn't make any profit. It was a break-even trade. Then I was watching the 5-minute candles, and it made a 5-minute engulfing below VWAP, so I took it short, but it didn't work. So once it came back to VWAP and it was crossing it, I exit, and it was a good call because it really, from that point on, it went up, and